Hi everyone, welcome back to the Code Shop channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to manage invoices in multiple languages using Odoo 18. This feature is especially useful if you work with international customers who prefer receiving their documents like invoices in their native language. We'll show you how to activate different languages, set the customer's preferred language, and automatically generate translated invoices. So let's jump into Odoo and see how it's done. Let's start by enabling the languages you want to use for your invoices. Head over to Settings, and under the Languages section, you will see the number of ones that are already installed. In our case, we currently have just one language enabled. To add a new language, click Add Languages, then search for and select the language your customer prefers. For example, let's say we have a customer from Germany who doesn't speak English and would like to receive their invoice in German. We can simply search for German, select it, and click Add. Odoo will take a few seconds to install it. Once it's done, a pop-up will appear asking if you want to switch the entire database to this language. Since we only want to use German for the customer invoice and not change the whole interface, we'll just click Close. This way, the rest of your users continue to see Odoo in English, while the customer receives their documents in German. Next, let's set up the customer's preferred language. Go to the Sales app, click on Orders, then choose Customers, and select the customer you want to update. In our case, we'll use Deco Edit. Right now, their default language is set to English. To change that, simply open the dropdown, select German, and click Save. This change ensures that any future documents like quotations, sales orders, and invoices will automatically be generated in German for this customer. Now let's try it out by creating a sales order for Deco Edit. Head over to Orders, Quotations, and click New. Choose Deco Edit as the customer, then add a product. Let's go with blue denim jeans, size M. Once everything looks good, click Confirm to validate the quotation. Now let's send it to the customer by clicking the Send button. When we open the PDF that the customer receives, you'll notice that the entire document is now displayed in German, just as requested. The same goes for the invoice. Let's close this for now and create a draft invoice. We'll choose regular invoice and then confirm. Now when we click on preview, you can see that everything is automatically translated into German, making it much easier for your customer to read and understand. And that's it. That's how you manage invoices in different languages in Odoo 18. It's a simple but powerful feature that helps you better serve your global customer base. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.